Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Kabuli Pulao. First, we will gather our core ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a seamless cooking experience. You will discover the secrets to achieving that distinct aromatic base, a cornerstone of this delightful dish. We will then proceed to prepare the main rice component, focusing on precise measurements and cooking times. Get ready to create a truly authentic and delicious meal, perfect for any occasion. To begin, rinse and soak 2 cups of basmati rice in cold water for a minimum of 30 minutes. This step is crucial for separate, fluffy grains. Gather 1 large onion, thinly sliced, and 2 cloves of fresh garlic, minced finely. Ensure you have 1 pound of your preferred meat, cut into uniform 2-inch pieces. Don't forget your aromatic spices: 1 tablespoon of whole cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom, and a half teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to build the flavor profile. Heat 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pot, browning your meat until golden, then set it aside. Sauté the sliced onions until deeply caramelized, about 15 minutes, before adding minced garlic and spices. Return the meat to the pot, add 4 cups of hot water, and simmer for 1 full hour until the meat is wonderfully tender. Finally, strain the flavorful broth, reserving the liquid, and cook your previously soaked basmati rice directly in this aromatic liquid until it is perfectly fluffy. Now, let's create the signature sweet topping that makes Kabuli Pulao truly special. Begin by slicing 2 large carrots into beautiful, thin matchstick-sized pieces. Sauté these carrot matchsticks in 2 tablespoons of melted butter with 2 tablespoons of sugar until they are slightly softened and begin to caramelize beautifully. Next, add 1/2 cup of plump golden raisins to the carrots, cooking for just another 2 minutes until they become delightfully swollen. This sweet, tender topping will provide a wonderful contrast to your savory rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.